So now we have the Rescap packages. We have just tested in a live CD session Rescatux that the package works properly. Now we have to build another Rescatux ISO so that it works properly, so that we can have another version. So how are we going to do so? So hopefully I can show you the instructions on how to build Rescatux. Okay, so now Rescatux. Yeah, so this is Rescap. This is Rescatux. So the build instructions is, if I'm not mistaken, it was just running this and then running the source code too, because this is a release. Yeah. Make Rescatux and source code. Yeah, I want to make Rescatux and source code, but first of all, okay, let's check what we have on Rescatux. So wait, yeah, this is here. So this is the Rescatux, which is master. I thought we had a master and so on, but I think we have the stretch master. So I think that's right. Yeah, we have the master, and master. So I guess this is the same thing. So this is Rescap, building Rescap, and then we are going to have the repo here and so on. So first of all, I want to check this thing about using one repo or another repo. I mean, one branch or another branch. So if I'm not mistaken, the Buster master and yeah, Buster master. Yeah. So we had for a while Buster master, which was different from the master, which was the old one, and then the master is the new one. So we work with Buster, and that's it. So there's a commit which change the version, and we have some. I mean, the only change is the version number on the here, and then that's it. So we just have to create. Yeah, we just have to change the version, because hopefully the new Rescap package, you know what I said. I mean, yeah, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to recreate this commit. So what you need to do is, first of all, is to wait a moment. Yeah, here we have our our GitHub repo. Oh my god, here's the brancho. This was not accepted as a good, you know, this is Clippo, but brancho, but they didn't accept. I mean, I think, I thought that it was better not to use it, but yeah. Anyway, someday maybe I can hire someone to do this logo and laugh from it. Okay, so repo. We want to change the version file, which need in Libera new comment. So this is going to be 0. Okay, I have a new comment on the 5 years ago, I started my channel with it. Okay, this is nice. There's someone here on my channel, which it's getting recommended to me. And we have a comment. Thank you for your distribution. This is the Kaskaniskan guy, which I guess did something with my... Okay, let me check. Ah, look at that. Group 4. Yeah, there is Rescatux. I didn't know there was these videos. That's nice. Okay, let me check. So this is group. How to boot group manually. And this is Rescatux and how to fix it. 2016. Nobody has commented. Oh my god, this music. Okay, and this is something more. This might be how to reset Windows password. Okay, that's nice. Going to like it so that it knows that I have read it. And that's it. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. What do I have here? Okay, so now, yeah, I think I can close this and I can continue. Yeah. Yeah. So now I'm going to, I was doing something on my computer. Okay, so this is the repo. I hope I have made some change. Yes, I have changed the version. And that's it. I don't want to do 0.73.1 because then I don't know if people use it. So, yeah. So version, and then it's the commit, which is from here, is updated version to this stuff. So updated version to here. Then I can amend, and I can do like this. If this stuff, why can't I just copy a bit? Okay, so change. Going to put here updated minor packages updates, package updates, because that's right, because when you update, this is going Rescap changes from this one to this one, and this is the change which we have here somewhere. This one. So this is going to here, so that people know. This way I don't have to remove all the text. I just comment it, and that's it. So support charge run have been moved to Libera IRC. Minor packages update. I think this is right. Minor package updates. Okay. So now I should be able to push this stuff to to GitHub. So hit remote. Oh, hit push GitHub origin, I guess. And this is master. And then I can check the tags, which is like that. And like this. I don't want to edit this tag commit because it is not. So now we have this thing here. Now should be able to. I should do something about this, but I do not remember what. So now, yeah, so I'm supposed to run make Rescatux and source code. And then we have the Rescatux and the source code in the Rescatux release Rescatux version. So if I do like this, Rescatux release, I have all of this stuff, and now I have properly the Rescatux release, Rescatux, this one. So it has all the things, even the source code. And this is what I'm going to do right now. But this needs to be built from the th root, and I have all this stuff. So let's go there. Like this. Bastard ch root, because this is i3x6. And like this. And then the idea is to run make Rescatux on source code, which is going to run all of this stuff inside my th root. This is going to create a nice ISO. So it asks me for my password, and now you have to wait 8 hours or so, and that's it. Not 8 hours, but a bit. So I wanted to say that now our B064 and so on changes its minor package updates, and support chat rooms have been moved to Libera IRC from the Rescap packages. And this is too good to be true. So let me check if there's something wrong here. Wait. Why is this here? Okay, yeah, this is the... Yeah, no such file. Okay. There's something wrong somewhere. Yeah, this repo might be wrong. Let's go back and see what happens somewhere, somehow. Okay. Maybe it's something about the secure boot stuff, but I'm not sure. Okay, let me check if I can find where the error is. I mean, I'm not convinced that there's a... Yeah. Maybe this is it. Okay, So you need to yeah, this needs to be what's the name? This needs to be recognized manually because whatever. Yeah, this is not going to work. I need change this suite from. I need this one and see what's the. How the hell do you? So. Okay, when a new version, for example, if no. Okay, yeah. So this is going to. This needs to be to low. I think it's this one once. And then once it works, it should work. But I think what I want to do is update the. I mean, maybe I don't update it, but okay. So signatures could not verify. How the hell did I? Why? I don't like this. Okay, so now so these are warnings. These are not errors. Okay, or maybe they are errors. I'm not sure if I mean, I have the mirror. I'm using a mirror, which I don't remember which one it is, but I'm using a mirror so that I don't download everything every time. But I'm not sure if I'm supposed to change these keys or what. Okay. No, I don't want to add the Ubuntu ones. Maybe I want to because the key server, I mean, key server Debian. Yeah. So apparently the way of doing this is like this. So I guess that there are some of them. I mean, this is quite strange that like this. Not valid open found. Total number processed. Does this mean that the key I should not, or does it mean that I have to initialize this stuff? Maybe I should install CA certificates. Maybe not. I mean, but I just want to do like this, and so that everything works properly. Yeah, I want to update the repository. I'm not sure if it's apt or if it's something else. I mean, this is working. I mean, I think it's approx, my repo. Wait. Let's try from localhost. What's the 999? Yeah, I've got a recup, which is approx. Okay, so approx. Yeah, approx is on the host. Yeah. Okay, so approx. Yeah. Let's see if I can. So I might remove all of it and then just downloads everything again, because I'm not seeing anything. So in bar cache prox, there should be the stuff. Wait. Bar cache prox. Okay, so now I have a custom file, because I'm like that, where this is my cache. So I think I could just remove this. Here I have also repo, which is the one from, yeah. So here I have Debian security, and repos. So I could, yeah, I should be able to, yeah, Debian. Yeah. So my question is, should I Buster updates? Okay. I think I'm going to remove everything from there, and it will be downloaded again, and that's it. So approx, maybe there's a command for purging cache that I don't have to purge. No, doesn't work like that, because, yeah, whatever. Okay, this is not. This is probably a program that only works when you tell it the 999 or something. That's why it is not here, because it is not needed. Okay, so let me remove all of this stuff. So this is 755 Rescatux, Rescatux. So this is so now if I go here and I do like this, it should be okay. Can you please tell me? How do I add these keys, which I think are the right ones? Okay, no valid open PGP data found. I think I need to create something that's called ring something. aptk at pap. Okay, let's check this again. Maybe apt-get clean. Do you think this is going to help somehow? No. Okay, well, here's a tip or something. And this pub key, let's put it on the URL from keyserver Ubuntu. So here it is, Debian Archive Automatic from 2019 to the future. So here I think we can download a pub file, something. Save the keys as an which keys? Self change UID pub. If I click here, okay, that's what I want, I guess. Okay, 6.4. Do we have 6.4 down here? Here it is. This is not 6.4. Okay, let's search this. Okay. This is nuts. So apparently you can use this as a workaround in order to, you don't need to run this with sudo, just like this. Okay, so the idea is that I will be able to do like this and hopefully it works for all of us. Oh my God. The problem is with no valid OpenGP. Wait. GPT show keys or something. I mean, tell me that there's a problem here so that I can fix it and then I can add the keys properly. Because this is this should not be this should I mean, why the hell is this not working at all? Okay, apt key update. Maybe apt key list. Okay, we have something here. So we have, oh yeah. I think I need, yeah, so this is a problem. I need to install this package manually. And once I have this package manually from Buster, now we are going places. So, Buster, Buster, here you are, 2020. This one, well, why? Yeah. So maybe this one. Yeah. I'm not sure if this program is here. Anyway, we will try. Now I can install this stuff with new keys, new official keys. Hopefully they are official because I'm downloading without HTTPS. But well, anyways, we need to. So now, okay. Hopefully there's different. Now it's the right one. Hopefully now the GPT can update GPT. Yeah, update me GPT so that I can add this stupid. Now I can work with this. Maybe I was able always to do this. So okay, so maybe I can now. It should work like this, like this. Okay, let's assume that this is fixed, which I have no idea. Now let's go here and build this again and see what happens. I usually remove some files somewhere so that, but now the repo is empty somehow, I think. So this is what, no, this is not working properly. Yeah. So now we want to change from stable to all stable. How do we fix this? Do I have to put somewhere? Okay, so now maybe I can run this command and this is not going to warning, warning, warning. Problem is I have some problems that doesn't make sense. I would like this not to be a problem at all. This key is available somewhere. Okay, so let's try again with okay. Let me 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I've got an idea because I have downloaded before this Buster But this is not from Buster updates, which is the only the Buster updates is the one which is more updated in theory. So 1.6, I think it's the same one that I have. Wait a moment. If it's the same one, I'm not. This is nothing that I win. I mean, yeah. 1 January, def 10 U2. 1 January, yeah, I mean 1 June, 1 June. 1st of June. Yeah, I already have it. Okay. Okay. Let's try to add these keys that there's no way to add it, to add them. Because I have a problem with GPT. I'm pretty sure. So this is the workaround, but apt key add. Yeah. This is not going to work. GPT import ASC. GPT import. Okay, maybe we can import from the yeah, I have to remove the X. Yeah, that's my problem. I have to remove the X. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. I have to remove the X. So no pop key. Maybe this is like that with a 0. Yeah. I was missing the 0. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's supposed to work. Apparently you need to use a 0 or maybe do like this, but this did not work before. But now it's working marvelously well. And I am happy. Maybe I just needed to update this. Again, so now, do you want to update? Yes. Do you want to accept? Yes. So now it's going to update in a transparent manner from the internet. So maybe now I could replace the repo with my own packages so that I don't have to update everything once again. But I'm not sure. Okay. Nice. So now, now I should be able to. Okay, there's the live build directory. I want it to be removed, although I'm not sure. Maybe I already remove it when I don't remember too much. Min make common. Do we remove live build temp folder? Do we remove this? Make temp folder. We remove some of them. I will. I mean, anyway, I'm trying to, let's try to build a normal Rescatux. Then when it works, we remove, and then we build Rescatux on the source code, but we remove the live build directory and see what happens. So now it fails again because repository changes suite value from a stable to stable. Now I think that I want to actually remove live build, because live build is something temporary. So live build, yeah. So now I need to hit check out this file so that I have another time the this thing. So now I think that so maybe I didn't need to do this stuff. Okay. So now we have another problem because unknown key. Okay, let's see if we can add this now unknown key, or if we cannot. Okay. The specified key ring user. Okay, so let's install Debian archive key ring. See if we can. Yeah, it works. Hopefully it builds something right now, because this is nice. I mean, this is complex. Yeah, I think it's going to work. Let's see what happens. It's a pity that... Okay. It's a pity that nobody connects to the Libera Chat IRC. But anyways... So now I think that I'm going to pause. And I'm going to continue in a moment. Let's see if I have an option in YouTube, or if I have to. I don't want to end the stream. I want to pause the stream. Add the stream microcritical live video. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm going to stop and then do something about this. So updated version to 0.g, and maybe I'm going to reuse. This is not right, but I'm going to reuse the same commit, because yeah, I think it's better. So here, I think it's better. Let's see. So command Let's see if I can push. Why the hell? Password? Wait. Yeah. This is not the one that I want to do this. Yeah. Hit push force. Let's see if I am able to do this. And then I have this tag, which is with, I guess I have to remove somehow. Is this something that I can do? Hit tag, delete. Okay. And now I can add this tag and push it. Here. Yeah. And now this is right. I mean, the next step is going to be to remove live build and build this thing again. But before doing so, I'm going to test what I have here, which is a Rescatux release 0. Rescatux release Rescatux 074, which I have the ISO. I want to test it. This is almost. I'm not sure if this is more than 700 megabytes. What about the? Oh my God! Why do we have more megabytes? Where the hell? Why do we have 20 more megabytes? I mean, 30 more megabytes. No, I don't want to debug this. Okay, so first of all, we're going to test this version and see if we have the right package, which should be fine because we have tested properly. I mean, wait a moment, like this. So now here, yeah. Look at this. Okay. Let's try to do this bigger. Maybe it will show a bigger desktop. Maybe not. Okay. I maybe should try all the other options to see if they work properly, but I do not want to do that. Okay, so full width or no, default settings, yes. Everyone saying yes. That's why I said I should yes for this option. So chat, run, and now we have Libera. That's nice. Libera. So now if I do like this, what was the how do you, it was with I don't remember. Show ls, shows Linux. Okay, set. Yeah, it's set. Yeah, I didn't remember it. So I should have, yeah, I have something about Linux, so I'm happy. Okay. And this is working from Rescatux like this, and I can read it on the other side. Okay, so I think we are done. So now I have to remove this. I mean, I can close this like this because, yeah. So now we have to do some stuff. So the first stuff to do is to remove live build. The other stuff is to remove Rescatux release Rescatux 074. Okay. And now we can run make Rescatux and source code, and everything should be fine. Yeah, I think so, because the mirror. Yeah, the mirror. I do not need to remove the mirror because I have already removed it before. So now everything should be fine. And I need to compare the packages from one version to another version to see why the hell I have 30 megabytes, 30 extra megabytes that I do not want to have because my CD is greater than 700 megabytes and I want it to be less than 700 megabytes. But this is something that we will do later. So I'm going to pause here and I come back later. We will see how it goes. If it's the same size, and we will debug this size before publishing anything. So I come to me and yeah. So now this is building the ISO. It has already built it. And then I think the ISO is already built. This is what we're going to check. And I want to see, I mean, I'm just now realizing that I better only build the ISO and not the source code. But well, so in the Rescatux release here, what? Why? Nothing? Oh, that's interesting. I thought that I was building the source code part, but it seems it's ISO part. Maybe it's not. I mean, you know, here you have the DSC, DSS, and so on. This makes no sense. Let me check this log, see if there was a problem. Maybe there was a problem. Maybe it builds the source code before building everything. Might it be? And that's why I don't see the ISO. Let's see. So, make Rescatux source code. Make common. Wait a second. Source true. Okay, yeah. So the ISO, yeah, I think that, yeah. Make Rescatux and source code. Okay, Yeah. Yeah. So the ISO is already built. It's in the live build directory, but when it finished to build all the stuff for the source code stuff, we will see these things. Uh, we will be able to check. So I guess that if I go here, live build, there's the ISO, and there's the packages which I want to check, because this is not right. I mean, okay, let me check if the source code get archive head. Okay, yeah, so where it has. Okay, I have this package file, which is here it is. So, oh no, I don't have the sizes. I can compare if there are more or less packages from one to another one, but I cannot compare. Okay, so let's compare Rescatux release, Rescatux the other one, something packages with Rescatux with, yeah, Rescatux 0. Let's compare this and see what we see. Okay, so now I can check which are the changes. So what we actually want is this. We want this GStreamer plugins. We want a stuff that it is in 0.74, but it is not lib AA. Why do we want lib AA? libcd paranoia 0, libd4. This is this might be something from the packages from, yeah, this might be something from the packages from live cd. So yeah, so this is live cd. What's the name of this stuff? This is live cd. Where can I find this? So this is live. There are some meta packages in order to install Debian. Maybe it's Firefox which needs this stuff. I will need to check this in the live CD. Because I want to learn what's the reverse dependency for his streamer. What's the package that tells you you need this install here? Because I'm not sure about this. So let me, I do not want to make a mess of all of this. So this is why I'm not removing anything, but yeah, I should do it. Let me see if there's something mounted. No, it is not. So I guess it's fine. And now I'm going to copy manually live build the ISO, which is here. Analysis. But this needs to be properly yeah. Okay, so I'm going to check. This is not what I wanted to do. This one. Play. Let's try to find the reverse dependencies for these files so that I learn why the hell do I need them in the first place. So I suspect that this is something from the virtual packages from virtual packages. So I might need to do another commit and stuff, and I don't like this. Maybe I have to do Rescatux 0.75 so that it makes sense. Default settings. Yeah, I want default settings. So now. So is there, what's the synaptic? Yeah, that's what I want to check. Okay. GStreamer. Maybe this is something from Firefox. Okay, so yeah, this one. There's something about properties. There's dependencies. So blah blah blah. But dependence. Huh. I don't know. Let me check if there's something about Debian. Something about Genome Core. Rasero Goobox. I don't know. Autoradio. I'm not really sure. I am not really sure about this. So let's see. Maybe I can remove it and it will tell me. Maybe it will tell me streamer 1.2 plugin space. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. We try this. Okay. The following packages will remove. The good one, which I guess it depends from this. Rescap. What? Sanity. Oh. Oh my God. Maybe Sanity has been updated recently so that it depends on Synaptic. Synaptic also depends on GStreamit plugin space. I think so. So this is quite interesting. So let's assume we cannot remove this. And let's see what more do we have. Leave AA1. So this is for this is why would we want a library for writing Axie art? GStreaming lib AA rescap synaptic sanity. So once again, synaptic depends on this. Leave AA1. Why? Leave CD paranoia 0. Okay, let's see. Leave CD paranoia 0. Lib WebKit 2 TTK rescap. Okay, this might be lib WebKit 2 TTK. Wait. No, this is Synaptic again. Okay, let's check Synaptic, because yeah, let's see Synaptic itself if it depends on this stuff or not, because it's quite strange. This is quite strange. Synaptic. Dependencies, and okay, look at this. Synaptic depends on sanity. I'm started to think that the problem is sanity. Sanity. Do I use sanity in Rescap nowadays? I think so, but let's check. So sanity depends on libwebkit to GTK. Okay, let's see sanity common. I think that the problem is sanity common. Okay. So libwebkit2 libwebkit2 GTK, I think it's this one. Libkit GTK. Yeah, it's this one. Why the hell do I need this on sanity? So here, yeah, here it is. So libwebkit2 GTK, which apparently is a dependency of sanity, depends on GStreamer plugin space and GStreamer plugins good. So we could remove this manually, I guess, so that it doesn't install all of this stupid stuff, which we don't need because we don't want. So the question is, do we still use sanity in Rescap? I guess so, but let's check, because I think we still use. Yeah, we use it because yeah, it's easier to do. So. Oh my God. libd4, I think it's the same thing. It's something for libd4, something that depends on Quasar DB code, decoder DB format. So this is all the stuff for dependency dependence. So yeah. So I think that, okay, HistoryMare one plugin's good, depends of this, and yeah, and that's it. Yeah. Maybe it's a suggestion. maybe we should just remove this from, because my thinking is that sanity package did not have these two files as, yeah, that's stuff for playing sounds. I don't want to play sounds here. Why would you play sounds in yeah, sanity? I don't want to play. So my guess is that these two packages, which are from, so these two packages, let me explain again. These two packages, maybe there were suggestions, and then now there are dependencies. So this is the history from sanity on Debian. So where the hell was the changelog? Sanity Buster, maybe. And now there's changelog somewhere. Yeah, on the source code, there's the Debian changelog. So okay, 2018. Stable, unstable, unstable. I don't see too many changes. Boom, but standard versions to 4.3 will depend on them. Translation updates. So this is the source code, which depends on this stuff, libwebkit. So I want to check. So this one, which is Buster, depends on libwebkit 2. My question is, did it depend? Yes, it did depend on this for stretch. So maybe I have some packages that I have to update so that the version is the right one. Let me check, because maybe this is easier than it sounds. Maybe this is easier than it seems. So this is the reason why I didn't want to work on Rescatux. I wanted to work supergroup to this and do new and exciting things. Then I go back to Rescatux. Okay. Packages. I want packages. Okay, so the packages are here. Okay. So here there should be negative packages, maybe. These are the packages, but there are not packages that I should be removing. That's interesting. What the hell has changed from one to another? ISO. That's what I don't understand. That's what I don't understand at all. Okay, let me maybe make common has something about this. Don't remember too much. Where are the packages that I do not want to install? Or if there are any of them. Let's see. Because the idea is that you just remove recommends. That's it. So let's see. If I can Make common custom. Okay, I didn't know there was this here. It should probably go into the should be an ignore in the GitHub. Okay, Rescatux folder, bin folder, config apt preferences. Okay. So here there go the preferences, which I have empty because we don't have to do stuff so that it works properly. We didn't have. So here we have the recommends, which is recommends core packages. Yeah. Where are the packages? And from the other one. Okay, maybe I'm going to surrender and that's it because I'm tired. So maybe we are going to just say you want less than 700 megabytes, you use the old ISO. You want support, you use the new ISO. And that's it. And yeah, but maybe there's something that we can remove, maybe not. But this is interesting. I mean, this is interesting. Okay. What do we do? What do we do? So I wanted to check the lib stuff. Lib stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So it's the lib stuff. I mean, so sanity depends on libwebkit 2. Libwebkit 2 has, it's here. Yeah. So you had 2.26 and now you have 2.34. And there's the change. So this is what I want to check. So this is a web content engine library for GTK. So now if I go to the Debian changelog, I mean, if I go to source, where is the source code for this? Yeah, if I go to the source code, I go to the Debian changelog. Why the hell? This is not working with this package. I want to know. I want to know. Okay, so source package. Okay, let's do something. I mean, let's use bullseye or let's use it. And then let's go to source. And then let's go to Debian changelog. And maybe I can check. Yeah, here it is. 2.26. Okay, so 2.26. 226, 226. Okay, so what was the 226? 4. 226 4. Okay, so here, new upstream development. Require bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Oh my god. New stream. Bubble wrap. Debian rules. I guess that's somewhere here. And build events package. I guess it's somewhere here. There's this thing about adding sound. Okay, maybe it's not added build dependencies on GDOPS. It's this. I mean, I'm sure that it's this, but yeah, well. Okay, Debian rules. I guess that one of these packages changes this file. Maybe we can go to a Git. Okay, so look at that. Update minimum required version of some packages. So maybe that's why. Stop the system browser for libwebkit. Okay. Maybe one of them has this, but I'm pretty sure that's something here. Okay, here it is. Depend on GStreamer being bigger than 1.14. This happened before or not? I'm not sure if it was like this before. GStreamer. Okay, let's check. Okay. Okay, so now I can go back and check Buster, okay, and GStreamer. Yeah, GStreamer. This is a dependency from Buster, but this is .34. Where can I check for the other version which I have here, which is where is it? Wait a moment. Why is the same version? No, yeah. .34. .34. I cannot check for all versions unless I go to whatever. Yeah. Stretch, maybe. Yeah. GStreamer. So apparently on a stretch, it already depends of libgstreamer and yeah. So why the hell it did not get installed at all when installing? I do not understand why in a stretch there are some dependencies. Maybe they were in a stretch, they were removed, and they were added back in. Okay, let's search for this on Salsa Debian. See if there's something. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not sure at all if there are Salsa Debian. It doesn't seem so. It's a pity. My God. Okay, if you are poor, you use the old version, and yeah, because this is nuts. This is nuts. Unless I check some lib audit. What's this? Lib audit was something about K Wayland data. What? K Wayland data? What the heck? Why? Why? Yeah, but maybe this is not so much space. Let me check this. Okay, Wayland lib kf screen b lx config lxt core. We don't want to remove this stuff, even if it's 3 megabytes. Let's see how. What more do we have that maybe we could remove from here? Dictionaries common. Yeah, we could remove dictionaries common, but is it worth it? Dictionaries common. Oh my God. Okay. No. Aspel, dictionaries common, libengine, lib webkit. What do you want the dictionaries for, libwebkit? Then it removes mere sanity, synaptic, and yeah. Let's see. GTT8 base. What? Why do we want a compiler here? I didn't see this one. Why do we have here this? Wait, this is too much. Essential packages. Yeah. Apparently, GTT8 base is used by a lot of stuff. No. Okay. TDB. This is for debugging. Why do we want this? TDB LTN. Okay, let's see. What's this? This is not too much space. Man, this is not something that it's going to be nice to remove. GTK update icon catcher H HDMI to USB firmware. I'm not sure if we could remove it. Okay. Lip color D2. This is something from KDE. Yeah. I might just leave the ISO with 700 megabytes because right now lip wayland, okay, because right now, I mean, live config, live tools. Why do we need all of this? We don't need it on our live system. Like skitty quitty themes, message utils, mock utils, and tools. My rescue. OpenSSL, Osprova. Okay. Perl. I guess that we use Perl somewhere to make something work. Okay, let me remove Perl and see what happens. I'm curious. Inchi uses Perl. Okay. Rescap, Linux, which we need for the Linux stuff. X11 apps. Oh my god, this might be stupid stuff. This might be the eyes, but 2 megabytes. Oh, that's not too much. XOR. No, we don't want to remove XOR. X11 VNC. XDG. XXD. What the hell is XXD? If X2 or the reverse. Okay, this might be used from Inti. Okay, yeah. We're going to do stuff and that's it. I mean, so the virtual machine is turned off. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this comparison. I'm going to remove somewhere. I mean, I'm going to remove Rescatux release, Rescatux 74, and the one from live build, just in case. Hit checkout. Okay. And now I'm going to build this and we will post this image, which is more than 700 megabytes. And that's it. I mean, that's it. So now I'm going to pause. We're going to see each other later when this builds and I push the ISOs to the internet and I make a release piece of news. See you later. ISO, which is bigger than 700 megabytes. And we have the source code with all of this stuff. This is the we are just going to upload this stuff to SourceForge. Okay, so and then I need to do what's the name? Piece of news. Okay. Okay, let me again. So, let me check 1 second. What's the URL? Home FRS. Okay, so now I should be able to upload this thing, which has everything. And I mean, yeah, there's something here they have not done. So I want to cut this and put it to release. Here. Maybe it will let me. Maybe it won't. Yeah, it has let me. So now I should be able to see here this folder, which I want to move here. Now we should wait for this to be uploaded. And yeah, we will need to enter to SourceForge and then tell that the default download file is the one from there. Yeah, that's it. Then we also need to make a torrent file, which I'm not sure if I want to do it. Oh my god. I don't know if it's worth it to make a torrent file for this stuff, if I'm honest to you. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I'm not sure how to prepare this post about Rescatux, if I'm being honest with you. Okay, let me see if I see something. Okay. So, okay. Oh my god, these new UIs for WordPress are a bit annoying. So, okay, so I want to reuse. Let's see how we do this, because I'm not sure. So the idea is to have the same title, but with 4. Then we want to just copy from here this thing, and the download. Where are the download options? Here it is. Download ISO git source code, ISO torrent, ISO source code. Okay, yeah. So I guess I want to reuse somehow this one. But yeah, let me reuse this as much as I can, and yeah, that's it. If it wants to work, obviously. Maybe it's the upload that makes everything going. Maybe I can. Maybe I could do something, but not right now. But maybe, I mean, there's a setting somewhere where you say that you want this. Like, I mean, this is 14. No, this is kilobytes. So we could say like this, maybe. And then here it is. You can click here. So this should be going down, so that instead of 1.4 is less than 1.4. Should it do it like that? Okay, yeah, it's doing stuff. Okay, let's go back to the web page. Wait a moment, it doesn't work. Why is this? Why I'm so unlucky with all of this stuff? Seriously? So I click edit post and it doesn't work. Why? Oh, okay, it works. Okay, now I would like to tools, edit, select. I want to edit the source code. How do I edit the source code? I think I have copy to a new draft. That's what I want to do. Copy to a new draft. And yeah, that's right. That's what I want. So this is the download. Okay. And the checksums. Wait a moment. Let's see if I can remove all of this. Maybe we could remove block back block and that's it. So this block, we don't want it. This block, we don't want it. Okay. Wait a moment. Yeah, checksums, this work. Remove block. Thank you. Okay, so now we maybe want to say what's new in Rescap, which is the thing about something about Libera, which I don't remember. Here it is. Okay. So okay, so here we can remove this block. We have remove this block. I have removed this block. Maybe we can select and remove without having to. Okay, forward pinging. Okay. Like this. Yeah. It seems we can also delete that way. What's new in Rescatux? Minor packages updates. Minor packages updates. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm going to remove all of this. Yeah. This is, I'm going to remove all of this too. Okay, let me see if I can, how to use it in real life. Save draft. Okay. So now post place. We want the categories. Oh, okay, we already have them. So that's nice. Is there on download? Okay, yeah, it's on download. So Main changes. The last was released on whatever on April. Yeah, April 2020. April 2020. That's about April, November 1. That's about 1 year and a half. 1.5 year. 1.5 year ago. Okay. This is a quick and dirty release in order to change Rescap default chat IRC support channels from Freenode to Libera. As Buster has had some packages updated in the meanwhile, it will also feature minor package updates. This ISO is greater than, so it does not fill into a CD. You should use an USB. If you have already downloaded, if you already have Rescatux 0.73, there's no need to download Rescatux. I might try to shrink the ISO back in the future. This is very important, so let's see if I can change the color or something so that it's important, but I'm not sure. Okay, let me see. Color, text alignment, move down. Edit as HTML. Oh, I don't know how to. Okay, typography, custom color. Okay, didn't know you could. Yeah, this is red. No, I don't want all the text to be like this. Only this one. Oh my god, this is awful. This system. Okay. Okay. Check more information on Rescatux release. Piece of news. Something like patch. What's the title? This is title. Don't know why is it so difficult. Okay, this is the loadout H2. Okay, so H2 is this one. It's this one. No, this one. Where the hell is H2? I want H2. It shouldn't be so difficult to do, isn't it? Paragraph. Heading. Yeah, transform to heading. Okay, perfect. This is a quick release, something like a patch. This is a quick release. This is a quick release. So you won't have. This is a quick release with almost no changes. So this piece of news will be quite short. Please check Rescatux released piece of news for the full for the full detail of what Rescatux has in it. Okay, Rescatux. This needs to be an URL to this thing. So URL. Okay, and open a new tab. So, okay, I am agree. Okay, so now we need all of this stuff to be. I mean, well, we need. Yeah. So let's see. So this should be 0 for. No, I don't want to exit this page. This one needs to be commented because yeah, because it needs to be updated. This is this one torrent. Okay, this is the torrent from DistroWatch that I have here, and this is the Linux tracker which has everything, which I'm not sure if I don't think I'm going to update it because I don't want to. So this is the source code. Okay, and these are the checksums which I guess are down here. Okay, so this is the checksums. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. So this is yeah, okay, yeah. Checksums. Okay, what's new? If you already have, this might go here. Like this, maybe. Here you are. Okay. So now the download is okay. We don't have the torrents, but it's okay. Let's save the draft. As Debian Bastard. Okay, so I need this. This is very important for some people. And I think this is documented somewhere. So I'm going to check for it. Maybe here. Release. Yeah, maybe it is. Yeah, I think there was a command somewhere. Wait a moment. There's a command for doing this stuff. Where is it? I don't know, but there's a command for this stuff. Yeah, isn't it? There's a command. Wait a second. Wait a second. There is a command. Maybe there's a command for supergroup to disk to create this piece of news, and maybe it's not ready yet to, because yeah, I mean, I remember the supergroup disk has something like this. Let me see. Supergroup release news, supergroup release changes. And here, maybe in release changes, you have the Xiao and Sam and so on. But here, I don't think so. I don't think it's around here. Okay. Let me check here. So this finds let me check MD5 some. Yeah, there's the MDC5, but there's no. So I guess I can do it manually. But yeah. Okay, so let me go here and let me see. Let me see. Where do I have the web page? It's here. It's quite strange. So there's the. It seems like it's something that you do with find instead of yeah, that's interesting. So it will be something like, I'm checking if there's any script here, but I don't see it. So okay, find type F. So you just do exec like that, and you are done. Yeah. Okay. So I guess that it's something like that, but I mean, it's quite, I don't know. We could make this script, but this is once in a while that we do this stuff. Okay, so okay, so yeah, maybe we should um, dump it like this. And then we do a mesh, and that's it. Sha like this. Okay, so now I should be able to go to here and find all the files, which are the MD555, these ones. Okay, so now I should be able to do like this, copy and paste. Okay, nice. And then I have another file around here with the SHA-20, SHA-256. Okay, so copy, paste. Wait, okay. Is this the, yeah, and now the SHA-1 once. SHA-1 once. Let's open it and let's copy it, which I'm doing it in a different screen. That's why you are not seeing it. Okay, SHA-1. And I guess I should do, what's the name? I should do, okay, let's remove this because I don't think we need it to go so slow. So now that we have almost this post, so the idea here is that yeah. So now we have everything properly, I think. Yeah, so the original idea was to work on supergroup to this, but I just realized to update the official supergroup to disk. Channel. And guess what? So it needed a quick update. I have almost not tested this Rescatux version. Was it not to work for you? Please try Rescatux instead. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty good. This stuff. I think I could release it, and that's it. Okay, yeah, yeah. The GitHub issues page, which I guess it's this one. Yeah, that's it. I don't read them too much, but yeah, I mean, for a stuff that it previously worked okay on Rescatux, but it no longer works. Okay. Feedback on a stuff that it previously worked okay, but it no longer works. And then, was it not to work for you? Please try Rescatux instead. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I can, even if the source code has not been uploaded, then I can upload this. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing, which is save and preview. Okay. Preview in new tab. Okay, so Rescatux, check Rescatux. There's no need to download. This is a quick release with almost no changes, so this piece of news will be quite short. Please check release piece of news for the full detail of what Rescatux has in it. The original. Okay. So this is Rescatux 0.73 because yes. Download Rescatux ISO source code, and the JIT source code. So we don't have torrent files. If the guy from DistroWatch uploads it, I will link around here, and that's it. I'm not going to upload the torrent for this file. Why? Doing so, if I click here and go to the MD5 checksums, so I have all of this for the people that want it. Minor packages updates. Support chat room has been done to Libera. Okay, I think it's. I think this is quite good. This yeah, I think that's quite good. So in 15 minutes, source code, it's going to be okay. Yeah, maybe we wait for this to being uploaded, and then we publish the piece of news, and make sure that in Sourceforce we pin the ISO, the 0.74 ISO, so that everyone uses the latest ISO. And that's it. Yeah. Maybe I should yeah, maybe I should write release. What's the name? We should send. Yeah. Okay, so Rescatux, maybe I can. Why don't I have sent emails? Wait a moment. Okay. Something wrong. Apparently my sent folder. Okay, yeah, I'm not in the right sent folder. That's why. Okay, so okay, don't care about the running. Rescatux is coming up. Rescatux has been released. Okay, so edit this new message. Original article with it's found here. Okay. Yeah, I need the URL. Okay, so let's copy all of this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now I need the URL. So yeah, let's do this. I think this is going to be I'm going to log in here, and I will yeah. Going to go into Rescatux files, and it's going to be pinned here. Okay, so it's plotting the source code. Select all, and that's it. So now, hopefully, I can publish this when this is uploaded. Maybe I should just publish it. And what's the 2 minutes? I'm going to wait this way. If someone wants to download everything, they can download everything. Okay, so 96%. Okay, that's nice, I guess. One minute. That's nice. 1 minute. Oh my god. Tax, Windows, Rescatux. Okay. Yeah. This should be a beta, but I don't care. Just want everyone to use Libera, and that's it. Okay, so now let's see, live streaming. We are streaming. That's nice. Okay. It seems that everything has been released. So now I'm going to publish. Yeah. Ready to publish? Yes, I'm ready to publish. So analysis, read to error found. Which one? No focus key froze. Context is I don't care. Publish. So now we have the link, which is this one, which I'm going to use on my mail list, and we won't send any release piece of news because this is bullshit release, so we don't want anyone to use it actually. And we will see what happens when we don't send to the press. We will see what happens when we don't send to the press this stuff. And yeah. So we are fine, I think. We have finished Rescatux 0.74. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to shrink the CD to 700 megabytes, but maybe that's what we need to do, and that's it. I mean, so next time I stream, we will be playing with Supergroup to disk. But for now, I'm going to end the stream. So see you another day. Bye.